Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get started with the Ultra Panel control. So with the Windows Forms product in your toolbox, you will see an Ultra Panel control, which is part of the Infosys for Net Advantage product. If I put this control on the form and you look at the properties window and you scroll through, if you use the stock panel control, you will not find a lot of difference between the functionality between the Ultra Panel and the stock panel control. So why would you use the Ultra Panel control over the stock panel control? Well, the reason is very simple. If you have been developing Infosys applications, you know there's an app stylist framework that you can use to style all the controls using an XML file. And at runtime it will completely change the look and feel of your application. So at design time it might just look a battleship gray application, but pulling in the style library, all the controls could just light up with a theme. So the Ultra Panel also has that extensibility built into it. So what's different here is the appearance object and different appearance settings that are available on this control, the scroll bar appearance, and so on and so forth. So just gotta see what you cannot do with the stock panel. I'm going to come down and change the appearance settings for it. So I'm going to set up a gradient color onto my panel. So if I just change the back color 1 to be let's say the shade of gray, and the back color 2 actually silver, and a darker shade, and I can come down here, I can say back color gradient or back gradient style, my bad, to be horizontal. You can see that now I have a gradient shade applied to my panel control. And if you have any controls on top of it, it would kind of just you can set the appearance sort of back color to be transparent and will blend in with the background. So you can also come down here and set the alpha level on this control, which is again the part of the appearance settings. It's actually changed to the label, so I can come down here. You can see that now the label blends in with the background color of the panel. But I can do the same thing on the panel itself, with changing its alpha settings and so on and so forth. So you get the full sort of feature of the appearance object as part of the panel control, which you don't get in the stock panel. So that's the major difference between the Infosys panel and the stock .NET panel control. So I can come down here, I can also change the alpha setting here, and you can see that it gets applied. So if I run this application, you can see that now I have a gradient panel using the Ultra Panel control, and it also uses the App Stylist under the cover. So if you're using App Stylist in your framework and you want to replace the stock panels to the more stylish panel controls, then you can use the Ultra Panel control in your applications. Thanks for watching this video.
Infragistics. On the web at infragistics.com.